Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to be going over some amazing features that we have in our profile section on BeRemembered.io. This is a quick tutorial just to help everyone navigate the platform. This is new to everyone, so we want to make sure it is seamless for you. This is our wedding timeline section that we'll be chatting about today. And the wedding timeline is one of my favorite features on the site, and it's something that we worked long and hard to make for all of you out there. So for our vendors, we do always ask for you to provide them with the timeline, but now you can make one right through the site. This is our system. Right here, you can add all of your standard events for the day, getting ready, first look, ceremony, and more. For each event, we have a specific amount of time that we allocate to it, but you can go ahead and change that, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. So we do want to add in a bouquet and garter toss. Let's go ahead and add it to my timeline down here. It's going to throw it at the beginning of the timeline at a random time, so please always be aware of that. And then we're going to go ahead and click the edit button here. And this is when it's going to pop up our event, basically instruction guide. Let's call it that. So we'll go through this one by one. We can change what this is to any of these up here: custom event, getting ready, you name it. We can even put in a title and a description. We can also change the time. So here we'll go ahead and we'll change this to say 10:05 p.m. or maybe let's do 9:05, something a little bit more realistic. And then we can put in a location if this location is going to be different than the rest. And we can put in some time. This will only take about 5 minutes. So next we want to go ahead and put in a song request. This is when we can do single ladies. And we'll throw that in there. We can even put in a playlist if we wanted to for the time. Next we'll click photos. And this will bring us to our shot list section. So here we can write in, group photo of all of the ladies on the dance floor. Shots of the bouquet. I'm going to butcher this. Oh, I think I got it right. Toss. And DJ. So we'll go ahead and we'll click update to that event. And now we'll close this up here by clicking hide. We'll scroll down and we'll see our bouquet toss at 9:05, about 5 minutes. And now the cool thing is we're going to have our parent dances next at 9:35. It's going to automatically tell us that we got a 25-minute break. Now, this is the really nice thing. If we have cake cutting listed at 9:05, it's going to tell you and the vendor that these events overlap. So that way you can go back and go, oh, shoot, okay, maybe we should put this at 9 o'clock instead of 9:05, or maybe even 8. Let's go 55. And for for cake cutting, we'll do how sweet it is. Cutting of the cake. And we'll update our event. And now it only overlaps by 5 minutes. So much better there. We can also cut the time down. You get the idea. Super easy for everyone. And as soon as we do that, it's going to say the next event starts immediately. So this is your incredible timeline. Feel free to do with it what you'd like. You can download it as a PDF or as a CSV, and you can add custom events right here and go through the process one at a time. Now, your vendor, if they are booked with us, does not have immediate access to this. So to share your timeline with them, you're just going to select your vendor and click share. Once you've shared it once, they'll get all of your updates. But we do this so that way you can build it out and then click share. For any of you who have worked with us in the past who have used Vision Form, this is replacing the Vision Form. Feel free to put contacts in here as well under description, and that way your vendor has access to everything they need for a successful day. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial of our wedding timeline feature. We cannot wait to be a part of your big day, and see you at BeRemembered.io.